Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, express 1960 as a product of powers of their prime factors. We need to first find the prime factorization of this 1960. 1960. So the first prime number is 2. So 1960 divided by 2 is 980. Again, we can divide this 980 by 2. So 980 divided by 2 is 490. Again, we can divide this 490 by 2. So 490 by 2 is 245. Now after 2, we can divide this 245 by the prime number 5. So 245 by 5 is 49. Now we can divide this 49 by prime number 7. So 49 by 7 is 7. 7 by 7 is 1. So the prime factorization of this 1960 is 2 into 2 into 2 3 times into 5 into this 7 2 times. Now this 2 3 times means 2 cube into this 5 1 time into this 7 2 times means 7 square. Hence 1960 as a product of powers of their prime factors is given by 2 cube into 5 into 7 square. Hence this 1960 can be written as a powers of their prime factors is 2 cube into 5 into 7 square. From available options, we have option D as 2 cube into 5 into 7 square.